Good morning, you guys. Today is the day.
Woo, woo.
Every once in a while, we retire some IOD designs and we give you guys the opportunity. We kind of make a celebration day of it, and we give you the opportunity to see new projects with these designs, and we make sure that you know what the designs are so that you can contact your stockist and stock up on those designs. What does retirement mean exactly?
It means that we aren't making them anymore. Your stockists still have some, but that means that there's limited supply left on those ones.
Only what is out on the market now is what is going to be available. So there have been certain designs that people go crazy over, that they beg us to make them and they're gone. They're gone for good. So
Yeah.
you really want to make sure that you get a hold of those.
Yes, inevitably we will have someone post, why do you do that? If it's popular, keep making it. And we get what you're saying, but we've actually shared this philosophy about it before. We don't want to just firestorm product into the environment and into our industry. So we try to kind of curate and be selective. And so that means we're always really fine-tuning our selection, and retirement's part of it.
Exactly. So today, what you can expect is your favorite stockists are going to be doing beautiful DIY projects with these designs and all throughout the day. So stay tuned.
Ooh. And you guys share yours.
Oh yeah, share yours on the page. So we have a shareable page so you can post right to our page, and yeah, it's going to be an awesome day, you guys. So
Let's
hang
get this
out
started.
and let's get this party started.
Woo-woo!